We are currently stuck in the middle of the Gammon Ranges.
This isn't good, Sam.
We might just have to wait for someone to come save us. We are currently stuck in the middle of the Gammon Ranges because the engine stopped working without really any rhyme or reason.
We were just driving and it just cut out.
So we believe maybe some mud that splashed up and got into the spark plugs. It's a bit unlikely, but that's the best idea we have.
Yeah, right now.
So we're just going to let it see if it can dry off a bit and then maybe try a jump. And other than that, we might just have to wait for someone to come save us.
Yeah. Hope someone comes through today. Alright, so we waited for about, what, 15-20 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
We attempted to roll it back and roll start it, didn't work. So we went with the old waited out. We think it was a spark plug. We waited it out till it got dry. Hit 1 o'clock. I put the foot down, revved the guts out of it, and we're here.
And yeah,
we're moving, we're running. So I think yeah, it was just a little bit wet maybe.
Sure.
But wet.
But we're away now. Lots of power, and you caught it live, people. We just lost power. We could have stole it.
That's alright. We're good.
Supposedly we're good. Jesse, how does this make you feel?
Not good.
Alright, looks like we're gonna have another wait.
This isn't good, Sam. We're in a bad position. Yeah, we are live.
Hello.
Hello.
We are in the middle of the Gammon Ranges.
We are.
And we are stuck.
Like, so you last saw us going up the hill and the car lost power again. We rolled back down the hill. We're now in a creek bed. 48 kilometers away from the ranger station, 23 kilometers away from Arkaroola village. We're stuck.
Recently we just got contact from my father, and apparently we got to spray WD-40 in the spark plug, so we'll do that and the rangers are going to come save us, and then we're going to be very happy. But right now we're still a bit cold.
It's cold. Still probably a couple of hours before help gets here.
Certified double thumbs.
I think we went through some mud, caused some issues. Sam's got a little present for himself.
It's during parching times like now when I like to drink my minus 196. It helps alleviate the thirst with no sugar. Thank you. Hello. So we are just on top of a hill, 585 meters high, near Isninha, which is a tiny little abandoned house, but it's a key intersection in the Gammon Ranges, and we are waiting for help from the rangers. We will forge onwards through the darkness, through the rain, to a better place.
It did drip a little bit before, so hopefully the rain stays away. What's the emotions right now?
They're high. We've just pulled off some witchcraft. Pumped 5 cc's of petrol directly into the carburetor.
Straight into there.
And she came to life like a lion.
She's running. So we've done a clean of all the spark plugs, started with WD-40. Our hero from the outside world, Bill, my dad. Yes, Samuel's dad has told us to pour a little bit of fuel into the carby and off she'll go. Fired instantly. Yeah. First turn.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna wait, see if we can get some fuel moving through, see what happens, and then go from there.
And if anything doesn't work, we'll find a little person and they can spit fuel into it from their mouth like Mad Max. That's our plan.
We've just got driving again, 5:01. We used our sneaky little tip, as you heard before. we're living life. We are probably very alert right now, making sure everything's all good. On our way to Arkaroola, probably 20 k's out. Should be there in an hour or so, hopefully. Just glad to be moving again.
We're stuck again. We figured out, or we think we figured out what was wrong. It's the fuel pump. So the issue is when we're going up hills, the pump with the tank at the back of the engine is unable to push the fuel forward on long stretches, resulting in the engine just conking out. And we can't really fix that here. The pump is inside the tank, and now we're stuck. We've got it on a bit of a downhill, so hopefully some fuel, floods in. But for the time being, we'll try that one more time tonight. And if not, tomorrow morning, my mum and dad, they're coming up and they'll tow us to Arkaroola, and then hopefully a mechanic there can help us out. But it's looking a little bit tough. We're safe, but it's less than ideal. I got some wraps, chicken wraps. So we're living the good life. Alright, so it is the morning after our last report. We slept out in the swags in front of our vehicle with the little Max Tracks. The floor is wet, protect us from getting rolled over by another car, which hasn't come. But mum and dad are in Arkaroola and they should be coming to get us anytime soon. We are quite keen. We figured it out. The fuel pump is almost certainly the broken item. Now we're just jamming and eating Milo cereal. It has gone hard.
Hopefully the Land Cruiser will be popping over the hill any minute. About an hour ago, they said they're about an hour or so out. So yeah, we're hoping that they pop over the hill at any time. That'll be good to see. Still not sure about the outcome of the car, what's going to happen. Hopefully get it back to Arkaroola. Potentially gets, if a pure miracle, get it fixed. Otherwise, either be looking at a tow or a trailer back to the hills, which will be a bit of an effort. Trying to stay positive, but yeah, we'll see how the day turns out.
I'm suspicious. There's birds everywhere. Now we just heard some noises that we think we may have our saviours.
It's too cold. I see them! There's another car following them as well.
Stop that.
There they are. There's 3 cars.
Right, so we have just pulled apart the carburetor, stripped it all back, found access to the fuel hose, ripped that out, put our own hose in. We've got it strapped in here to the jerry can, held it high to the sky, and Lord Almighty, she came to life, so we're all very happy. Hello, we're back. We're stationary again. If you look out, you can, I think we showed you the hose rig, but it actually works super duper well. We're moving, we're happy. We just chugged through heaps of petrol. So we tried siphoning out the cars, didn't work. Tried using the air compressor, didn't work, just sprayed petrol all over us. And we tried getting it from the tank, too dangerous. So mum and dad are going into town, they're going to fill up the petty cans, come back, going to fill this up and then sort of just go bit by bit. We'll get to Arkaroola and take it from there. We're a lot calmer now because we've got the fam with us and things are going well.
They are.
Hello, this is Sam here. So we're just rolling out of Arkaroola village now. After our debacle, we managed to get some fuel. We've got a tank right above us, the hose is still here. Saw the mechanic there, he helped fix up the engine a bit. There was some leakages and stuff, but we're going to push onto Lee Creek, pick up some jerrys there, and then see how far we can get to home tonight. Beautiful sunset, Aussie rock playing. I'm actually chuffed, but no, we still need to get home. Awesome landscape, happy to be alive. Just a beautiful place.
After 57 days, patrol's back running. The boys came up this morning, 5 AM, left. Finally made it to the car. Unfortunately, Sam's off in New Zealand. He hasn't been able to see it, but we're back. She's sounding better than ever. Hopefully, all goes well on the trip home, but keen to have her back.